I wonder what $160 in nickels will net us. Hey everyone, it's Rob at Rob Finds Treasure, and we've got a major nickel hunt today. I grabbed a $100 bank box from a Chase bank down the street from my house, and I grabbed another $60 from a different Chase bank. They didn't have a full box for me, they're out of stock. But she gave me $60 worth, so I have $160 or 80 rolls in nickels to hunt today. Anyway, we're gonna keep this bank box intact for now. And we're going to hunt the $60 in loose nickels to see what we get first. I'm going to combine the hunt as one big hunt, but I want to keep the box finds separate in my mind so I know how they did. That being said, let's hunt some nickels. This is ridiculous, guys. So I stacked these like this. I could have stacked them in any way possible. The first roll I grab, I see a 1953, and I was pushing the coins aside, and this one caught my eye. And look right behind it. Holy cow. Not a speared buffalo. A 1941 Denver. And a freaking buffalo in the first roll. I'll see if I can get a date off that, but look how toasty it is. It's still a buffalo. Let me get it under my microscope. I don't think I'm going to get a date, and because of the damage, nick date may not even help. But it looks like I can make out maybe... No, it's damaged. I'm going to see if I can get a date out that with nick date, guys. I'll be right back. Unfortunately, guys, it's got too much damage near the date. I've nick-dated it 3 times as much as I ever have, and we're just not going to get a date on it. It's trashed. Oh well, sometimes you just can't get them, but you know what? One roll in. First roll in. A buffalo, a 41 Denver, and a 53 Denver. Unbelievable. Doesn't mean the rest are good, but that'd be odd if the one roll that I started with, after having them all jumbled up, was that great. Let's keep looking. All right, guys, fourth roll in on the loose ones, and this looks pretty suspicious right here. 1942, San Francisco silver. Unbelievable. Wow. So now we've got a buffalo and a silver, a 41 and a 53, and we've got more to look at. A lot more. 15th roll of the box, we've got another 40s coin here. And it is a 1940. Philadelphia. Second from the 40s to go along with 4 from the 50s. I'll have to look at the numbers on this. It's not as brilliant as it should be, but it could be a 1959 Black Beauty. I'll have to take a look. Not quite sure. I'll do a little more scrutinizing later. And then 4 fantastic 60s coins, which we'll talk about those in a minute. Let's get back to the hunt. Roll 18, guys. Got a foreign nickel here, and it's not a Canadian. It's from Bermuda. Don't see those too often. 2002. You know, we found a bunch of 09s, and they were trashed, but I kept one decent one. While I got you here, why not finish the roll up? Oh, 1941. Is that San Francisco? Sure is. Third 40s, and while we're still here... 1946. I knew this roll looked a little old by the edges, and nothing else. Let's keep looking. Roll number 19. Got another 1941 coin. That makes 5 from the 40s, and I think I saw, yep, I was just talking about foreign finds, and we get a Canadian. 1993. So that's a second Canadian so far in the 19 rolls of the loose rolls. Ridiculous. Let's keep looking. Roll 21, guys. I bring you in because we've got a 1938 here. And you know very well I'm still trying to find a 38S. It's a little bit off center as far as its strike as well, but that's not what I'm looking for. Let's see what we got. Ooh. But you know what? It's a 38D, and we'll take that. Better than no mint mark. That's our, I'd say our first 30s coin, but we don't know what that buffalo is. Still a great find. Let's keep looking. Roll 23, guys, and I splayed them out, and I can see right here a 1939. We're looking for the 1939 Denver, as you know. Let's see what we got. Oh, man, I'll never get that coin, but hey, that's another from the 30s, a 38 and a 39. Well, the first $60 in nickels is hunted, and I really wish I had the rest of the box, guys. We ended up with a 38, a 39, a 42 San Francisco silver, a buffalo that's dateless, even though I tried to treat it. We got a 40, 3 41s, and a 46, a couple of foreigns, the best of the bunch 09s, some ridiculous 60s coins, 63, 65, 66, and 71, I guess I pulled out. Awesome coins there. And then in the 50s, we got a 51D, a 52D. We got a couple of 53Ds, a 53 San Francisco, a couple of 359s. One's might be a Black Beauty. I'll look into that. One's a Denver, and then one's a Philadelphia. So ridiculous for $60 worth of nickels. And we still got a full box to go. It's from a different bank, though. But, man, that was a solid box. Let's see what's in this one, and let's continue the hunt. Well, as hot as that last box was, this one's pretty cold. We've only found a 55 and a few 09s, but finally, on roll 18, we get our first 40s coin, and it's a 1946 Philadelphia. I didn't think I was going to find anything in this box, but at least we got something. Roll 25, we've got a 40s nickel here, guys. 1947 Denver. We'll take it. Add it to the collection that's starting to amass. Okay, guys, very next roll, 26. I'm super happy. I could tell by the edge it looked green, and I can see the date, a 43. Is it a 43D? It's a 43P. I still don't have the 43D. But you know what? It's our second silver. Second silver to go with that buffalo. Awesome. Box is starting to heat up now because we're starting to find some 50s and some 40s, so let's keep looking. We're on roll 30, guys, and we're going to have a 49 ender. It's not the 49D over S, and it's trashed anyway, but we'll still take a 40s nickel. Roll 36, got a couple of good ones together here. 1948D, and right behind it, I could see it. A 1955 D, and we'll check that for the D over S. All right, let's get back to the hunt. Roll 45, guys. You know what makes me happy? Opening a roll and seeing this. Unbelievable. We're going to have our second buffalo nickel. And it's got really good detail. This has got to have a date. It's probably a 36 or 37. No. 1925, great detail on the back, not as great on the front, but you know what? A dated buffalo nickel, 1925 with good detail, Philadelphia mint. Holy cow. All right, man. Whew. Pretty good finds. Let's keep going. Same roll as the buffalo. Got another 40s nickel, 1947 Denver. We will take it. Add it to the collection. 40s nickel number 10. Roll 38, spilled them out, and look, it showed itself. The 1941 nickel. 41 Philadelphia. Add it to the collection up here, and continue the hunt. All right, everyone, we finished hunting that box, and you know what? It was a good box in its own right. It gave up a buffalo nickel and a silver and a bunch of 40s and 50s. Let me go ahead and rally up the finds here for you. We got 6 coins that I consider keepers. These will definitely upgrade in a set. We got 409s, a couple of foreigns. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 from the 50s. Unbelievable. We got 11 from the 40s. You've seen them. We got a 38 and a 39. Very good finds. A dateless buffalo, a 25 buffalo from Philadelphia. Pretty dang good shape on the back. Wish the front was a little better, but it's not. We got a 42S silver, and we got a 43P. Man, silver as well. So $160 in coins searched. We got 4 really good finds and a whole bunch of other solid ones as well. A lot of value in these early 50s. 51, 52, 53, guys. Those Denver mints are worth some money, so make sure you're looking for them. At the end of the day, hope you enjoyed the hunt with me. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching.